How to add admin on Telegram channel? You can see I have open a Telegram. Now I'm to select which channel I want to add admin. For example, this one. Then now you have to click on this name. Then just scroll down so you can see administrators. One person, it's me. So I want to add another one. Click here. Then click add admin. Then here is the two parts on available only on group and me and my own friends. So I want to make admin, then select, then you see this is a what can this admin do. So if you want to save us and do some restricted for this admin, you can turn off this person. Then what I don't need right now. You can set up your own way this setting. Now click on tick mark. That's it.